power still. Listen to it. I don't know if you can see it, but I have a type of car, I have a voltmeter. I'm gonna cut that off. Yes, by the way, this is a V6. So, if anybody wants to know, I plan on getting that fixed soon. Just I'm not a body guy. Take a look at it. It's what you seen last night, do all of that. Y'all can see it or not, but this thing right here broke. Probably why it wasn't spinning right. Nice and snug. Hopefully it got power. All right, y'all. I had just got a jump from my cousin. Everything is okay. At first, when he first cranked the car up, it was all stuttering and stuff, but I guess after a while, it needed to keep running. Because twice the car did shut off. I have no idea why. But like I was saying from the last time, remember the last time he was only going to right here. Sorry for that beeping. It was going to right here, now it's actually going. It was from right here, and I was actually going to right here where it's supposed to be. I'm about to show you guys in a minute. Cranks up on his own. Nah, that's the next step to getting, is keep it from loping like that, because I have a hole in my catalytic converter. Get a little gas real quick. Cut that off. Yeah, so yep, got that fixed. Running back on all 6, I guess, or whatever.